they want you to lie on the reviews. They want you to fake people out, trick them, and have no ethics whatsoever. That does not fly with me. Absolutely does not fly with me. Hey guys, this is JoeTech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be talking about Jeemak.
Rear camera.
This is the review I did on YouTube. And the reason for this video right now is that they have asked me to change my review. So they contacted me via Facebook and they said, "Hi, how are you?" I go, "Nice." I have an automatic reply. I will get back to them. I just have an auto reply because I'm very busy. So I got notified last night at 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:30 in the morning to be exact. And I said, "Good, you?" And she says, "Hi, I'm okay. Have you bought this dash cam from us?" And I go, "Which one?" "Mirror dash cam." And that is the one that I bought, which is correct. That is the image. Whoops. That is the image of it here. And they sent me the picture of it here. And I go, "Sent you a picture?" She says, "Yes, I returned it. It needs work. Why do you ask?" And then she says, "I am sorry for our product doesn't meet your requirements. Could you change your review?" Not a chance. It's the truth. Is there any chance to change it? It's very important to us. Sorry. And I wrote, "Sorry, fix the dash cam. May I know what's wrong with the dash cam?" That's the entire point of a review. Read my review. I listed the problems. Now please leave me alone. "Sorry, I read your review. Now I'm asking our colleague. I am sorry." Great. Now fix the problems. When I get answers, I will let you know. And I've actually banned this person from my channel because you can't contact me and ask me to change a review. I know high reviews are very important to you, but then again, make a product that actually works. So I can't believe that this company actually contacted me to actually change a review. So bad news for Jeemak. They are, they're a bad company. Bad company. They shouldn't be contacting me to change my review. The whole point of a review is to be honest. So I guess this company does not want you to be, they want you to lie on the reviews. They want you to fake people out, trick them, and have no ethics whatsoever. That does not fly with me. Absolutely does not fly with me. So, Jeemak, bad news. I can't believe it. I'm shocked. This gets the holy shit award. Absolutely. Oh my God. Holy crapatoli. So they actually asked me to change it. Could you change your review? Why? Then I would be lying to my subscribers. This happens way too often, and I'm tired of it. And anytime someone does this to me, I'm going to be posting a video about it. And I'm exposing these people. Jeemak, bad news. They should be removed from Amazon permanently. I wish there was some way to have that taken care of, because anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.